What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace or service the idle air control valve. I'm going to be cleaning mine, but the process for replacing it is going to be the same. Let's get started. Alright, so the IAC valve, or idle air control valve, is going to be located on the throttle body of the car. So on this one, it's down below. We're gonna have to remove this air box assembly. Disconnect this hose right here, this breather hose. There we go. This part of the air box. And then there's one more connection back here. Alright, now on this car, it's a little easier to get to the IAC valve by taking off the throttle body. Alright, so we're going to disconnect the throttle cables. We'll just turn it, flip this cruise control one out, the bottom, pull out the top one. Now we'll pull out these vacuum lines on top. I'll mark these so you know which one goes back to which. Disconnect this, which is our wiring clip right here for the IAC valve. Just unsnaps. And there's another one back here. This is for our TPS. Go ahead and unsnap that. This vacuum line off. One more right here on the front. Now the whole entire throttle body is held in by these four. There's one there, and two underneath, 12 millimeters. Go ahead and loosen these. Alright, I've got the other three all taken out. This one should just be the last one holding it in. Alright, now mind these bolts, they're different lengths. Don't lose your throttle body gasket right here. Now there is a couple coolant lines, I believe, down here. As you can see, there's just three hoses down there, all connected with hose clamps. Just go ahead and mark off each hose goes to which spot so we know when to put it back. Alright, I got these 1, 2, 3 lines off of the bottom right here. Now I can pull out the whole throttle body. Now underneath, here's the part we need to be getting at. Got these 4 Phillips head screws in it. Now we're going to go ahead and unscrew these. Now if these are stuck, be careful because they will strip very easy if you've got like an impact. Alright, got the 4th one out. Now this whole thing should just come right off. Alright, here's the gasket. If that's in good shape, leave that. If not, we'll have to replace that. And there's this little wheel right here. Let me take this part off so we can get better access to it. Now we can take this part off. And on the inside of this is what gets all gunked up and carboned up. You should be able to tell how easy it opens and closes. Sometimes it's pretty stuck. Quite a bit of carbon. You're going to want to use some throttle body cleaner or alcohol or some brake cleaner. Just work it in. Get some Q-tips. Clean the other side too because it passes through there. Keep cleaning this till we get it really clean as you can. Now you can just turn this and you should feel it move a lot more freely. Go ahead and clean off your mating surfaces. So I'm going to put a little anti-seize on these little screws before I put them back in so don't give me any more trouble. So we'll go ahead and snug these screws down in a good alternating pattern. Also, with your throttle body off, it's a good idea to go ahead and clean that. And just do that the same way with throttle body cleaner, the brake cleaner, and clean off all this area. Alright, I got the throttle body pretty cleaned up. Now we'll put this back on. Screw it down nice and snug. Alright, I've got those 3 hoses on the bottom. Now it's time to put the throttle body gasket back on and the throttle body. Now we go ahead and tighten all of our throttle body bolts down. Connect our 2 throttle body cables right here. Then we're going to connect all the various hoses we disconnected. Snap in our plugs. IAC valve plug. Put in this little section of our air box we took out. Tighten down both hose clamps. Connect this crankcase vent. Now let's cross our fingers and start it up. Alright, I've got it just about warmed up and the idle seems to be a lot better. Alright guys, And that's how you clean your IAC valve. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Thanks.